If you're looking at buying a home in Front Royal, Virginia in 2026, and you're wondering what it'll actually cost, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down 3 things: why buyers are choosing Front Royal, what life here really looks like, and the real monthly numbers you need to understand before making a move. Because guessing at affordability is how people get in trouble, clarity is how you move forward confidently. Let's start with why Front Royal is on so many buyers' radar. Location matters. Front Royal sits right at the intersection of I-66 and I-81. That means direct access east towards Northern Virginia and DC, and quick north access to the Shenandoah Valley. For commuters, that's huge. But access isn't the only reason people move here. You're at the entrance to the Shenandoah National Park. The Shenandoah River runs straight through town. You're surrounded by mountain views. This is small town living with real outdoor access. Downtown Front Royal has its own identity. Local restaurants, small businesses, community events. It's grown, but it hasn't lost its character. For many buyers, that appeal is simple. Close enough to commute, far enough to slow down. Lower taxes than many surrounding areas. Now, let's talk numbers. As of January 2026, the median sold price in Front Royal was about $367,500. For this example, we're going to round this to $370,000. Here's what that looks like with a government-backed loan, either FHA, VA, or USDA, using 5% down. The purchase price would be $370,000. 5% down would be $18,500, which makes your loan amount $351,500, an interest rate of 6.2% on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage, making principal and interest on that loan come out to $2,155 per month. But in reality, that's not the full payment. Let's add taxes. Warren County tax rate is 48 cents per $100 of assessed value. The town of Front Royal adds 7 cents. Combine that, that's 55 cents per $100 of assessed value. On a $370,000 assessment, you're looking at about $2,035 per year in property taxes. That's roughly $170 per month. Homeowners insurance in this area averages around $200 per month. Because this example uses a government-backed loan with only 5% down, there will be mortgage insurance. We'll estimate that to be $150 per month. Now let's add everything together. Principal and interest, $2,155. Taxes, $170. Insurance, $200. Mortgage insurance, $150. The total estimate of the monthly payment is about $2,675 per month. That's the number buyers need to focus on. Not just the purchase price, not just what a lender says you qualify for, but what you're actually comfortable paying every month. Here's the reality in 2026. Front Royal is still more affordable than Northern Virginia, but prices are not what they were 5 years ago. Inventory moves, well-priced homes still get attention. The buyers who feel confident right now are the ones who understand their numbers first. They know their comfort zone, they have a real pre-approval, and they have a strategy before they start touring homes. Front Royal makes sense for commuters needing I-66 access, buyers leaving higher tax counties, first-time buyers wanting more space, anyone who values mountains, river access, and small town living. It's not for everyone, but for the right buyer, it's a strong option in 2026. If you're thinking about buying here this year, don't start with showings. Start with strategy. Know your monthly number, understand your loan structure, and build a plan around your timeline. If you want help putting that plan together, schedule a strategy call with the link in the description. And if this breakdown helped you, subscribe for more hyperlocal updates on Front Royal and the Northern Shenandoah Valley. I'll see you in the next video.